Hey everyone, Andy here from Mr. Yoo-Hoo, and today we're diving into an exciting new addition to home security, the Leviewlity wireless home security camera. This isn't just another security camera, it's a budget-friendly, feature-packed solution for anyone who wants to protect their home without breaking the bank. So what can you expect from this video? We're going to go through it all: unboxing, setup, app usage, real-world testing in day and night, and my overall thoughts on its performance. Let's start off with doing an unboxing. Starting with the unboxing, Leviewlity has done a great job here. The packaging is simple, but has everything you need right here in the box. The camera, USB-C charging cable, the mounting bracket, screws, and a monitoring sticker for that extra layer of deterrence. What struck me immediately is the quality of the build. For something in this price range, it feels like a premium product. The camera has good weight to it as well. It's solid, but not too heavy, and it's got a sleek, compact design that wouldn't be an eyesore wherever you place it. I'm always conscious about budget products that seem too good to be true. But right out of the box, the Leviewlity camera looks and feels reliable. And here's a nice bonus: the camera is IP66 waterproof. This means it can handle rain, dust, and harsh weather conditions, which is perfect for anyone wanting to mount it outside. One thing to note though is there's no SD card included. This isn't a deal breaker, but if you're leaning toward local storage, make sure you grab an SD card. That said, you do get 30 days of free cloud storage right off the bat, which is a huge plus and something you don't often see with budget-friendly cameras. It's a nice touch from Leviewlity, and it gives you time to test the camera thoroughly before deciding on your storage preferences.